Good morning, students. How are you? Great. Can you recognize me? You must be wondering. You might be wondering who's that standing in front of me wearing a mask. Yes, you got me right. I am Purushottam, your class teacher. Alright. Earlier you were in class 5. Now I congratulate you for being promoted to class 6. Congratulations. But yes, these days we are unable to connect with each other physically. School is closed, alright, due to COVID-19 pandemic. So we need to take care of ourselves, alright, because we must prefer life over all the things. Life is very precious, alright. So it becomes our duty to save our life, alright, as far as our study is concerned. So do not worry. If not physically, we cannot sit together physically. We are not able to do anything physically. Physical classroom is not available. So there is nothing to worry about, my dear students. We have come up for you with online classes. Alright? So make up your mind, concentrate your mind, and determine yourself to learn something. If you really want to learn something, so it's okay, be it physical classes or online classes, you can learn a lot. Alright? All you need to do is to make up your mind. Determine yourself. Alright? So, we are meeting after such a long time. Nevertheless, do not lose hope. Alright? As they say, every cloud has a silver lining. Alright? So we should not lose hope. Alright? Whatever we have available, we have social media available for us. Alright? We have internet available for us. Technology is there. So why to worry? अगर classroom नहीं आ पा रहे हैं, there's nothing to worry. Alright? School is closed. School is not open. Soon it will be open. This is what my firm belief is. Alright? So don't worry. Let's get started. Try to learn something online. Okay? So without wasting our time, let us get started. So the very first chapter of your science book is matter and its states. Alright? And you have studied about matter, alright, in the previous class, like in class 5. So in this class, we will just take a revision of whatever we have studied in the previous class, alright? So do not worry, we'll go through each and every topic. And yes, one more thing, take your each and every class seriously, alright? Do not miss any of the classes, any of the chapters being uploaded on the internet, alright? So try to make the best use of what was being discussed here, alright? Or what was being uploaded on the internet. So use those uploads, alright? Anyway, so this is matter and its states. This is the very first chapter of your science book. Matter and states, two terms are there, matter and states. Matter means what? Matter is something that has mass. This is, what is this in my hand? Come on. Any guesses? Yes, this is a chalk pencil. It has mass, alright? At the same time, it also occupies some space in air. Alright? Air में कुछ जगह भी लेता है. Clear है? तो ये है matter. Alright? Matter is something that has mass and occupies space. Clear? So this is matter. And states, there are 3 states of matter. Matter exists in 3 states. Matter exists in 3 states. Matter is clear? Anything that has mass and occupies space. मतलब space लेगा, है ना? Volume you can say. Space means what? Volume. All right. States means forms. There are 3 states of matter. What are those states? Look around you. You do one thing, you just look around you. You will find various things around you. All right. And if you notice carefully, you will find that these things are available in 3 forms: solid, liquid, and gas. Yes, you got it right. Very good. solid. This is in solid form. All right. So we'll try to look at all these forms one by one. Concerning keeping their shape in mind, volume, then intermolecular force between the particles, force of attraction between the particles. All right. Oh, this is I think some things left here. Some correction needs to be made. This is spaces between the particles. Spaces between the particles. Very less, in case of solids, very less, liquid, more, gases, not negligible, maximum. Maximum. So first forms of matter, solid, liquid and gas. These are three forms of matter, solid, liquid, gas. Once again, solid, liquid and gas. Come on, three forms of matter are there. Then shape of solid is fixed, means it will not change. Shape of a solid will not change. All right. Then liquid, shape is what? Indefinite. Then comes gases. Shape is what? Shape of gases indefinite. Volume, सॉलिड का वॉल्यूम कैसा होगा? वो फिक्स होता है, मींस इट्स वॉल्यूम विल नॉट चेंज. Now volume of liquid, it's also fixed. Volume of gas, it's indefinite. All right, not definite. Then comes spaces between the particles. Spaces between the particles of solids, it's very less. All right. Spaces between the particles of liquid, is more. All right, as compared to solids. Spaces between the particles of gas, it's maximum. Maximum means what? Particles of gases are free to move. Particles move कर सकते हैं इधर से उधर, इसलिए गैस क्या करते हैं? Move करते हैं, है ना? क्योंकि जो फोर्स है पार्टिकल्स के बीच का, जो स्पेस है वो बहुत ज्यादा है, एक दूसरे से फ्री हो गए, है ना? और इसकी वजह से फोर्स जो है गैसेस के पार्टिकल्स के बीच में जो फोर्स है, वो फोर्स क्या है? नेग्लिजिबल है. यस, नेग्लिजिबल. ऑलराइट. सॉलिड के केस में इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. ऑलराइट, दैट्स व्हाई अ सॉलिड हैज अ रिजिड शेप. दैट्स द रीजन. इन केस ऑफ लिक्विड, force between the particles is weaker. Alright, in case of gas, it's negligible. Alright, so these are three forms of matter: the shape, size, and these properties like spaces between the particles, force of attraction between the particles. Alright, in the next video, we'll have a detailed discussion on these forms. Alright, on the states of matter. Thank you very much.